This video is about review for trigonometry. We focus on sine law and cosine law. 1a. A flat horizontal area ABC is such that AB is 100 meters, BC equals 50 meters, and angle ACB that's 43.7 degrees as shown in the diagram. Show that the size of angle BAC is 22.2 degrees, correct to three significant figures. We are looking for BAC. What's given? We are given two sides and also this angle. Since this angle is not included angle, therefore, we don't use cosine law. We have to use sine law. Therefore, when we use sine law, we will get BC, that's 50 over sine BAC equals 100 over sine 43.7 degrees. Then we do cross multiply. When you do cross multiply, here is the rule. For A over B equals C over D. When we're looking for A, that equals the same line with the A, that's D. So D will be denominator. Then here's BC over D. For B equals C is on the same line with this B, so go to denominator AD. If we're looking for C, B is on the same line with C, so here's B, then BD. D equals A is on the same line with this D, so denominator is A, then it's BC. So remember this rule for combined like terms so that it's easier for you to solve cross multiply. Therefore, for sine BAC equals denominator is 100, 50 sine 43.7 degrees. Then equals, we put this into graphing calculator. You will get 0.34544. And BAC equals inverse sine of 0.34544. That equals 20.2 degrees. When you see show that, you have to show all the work like this. When you're working on triangle in the trigonometry, if you solve an angle, you need to label that angle. It will help you a lot when you're solving the next questions. For 1b, calculate the area of a triangle ABC. Remember that 1/2 AB sine C. But this angle is a included angle. Included angle means you are given two sides. The angle is formed by this given two sides. We are given this side and this side, so B will be the included angle. You need to figure out this B. As we know, the sum of interior angles in a triangle that is 180. Therefore, you do 180 minus 43.7 minus 20.2 degree. You will get 116.1 degree. Therefore, for area equals 1/2. Using these two sides, that's why you have 100 times 50 times sine included the angle that is 116.1 degree. Then you will get, we know the calculator they give to you, 2245.06894. You need to round to the 3 significant digits. So this is a 3. The 5 you round up. This is a decimal. That's why you get the 225. Don't forget this 0. Don't forget this 0. So you will get the 2250. When you figure out the area, you have to show this unit. That's a meter squared. If you didn't show this unit, you won't get the full credit. So remember, when you figure out the volume or area, you need to show the unit. Now look at the 1C. Find the length of AC. We're looking for this AC. You can use cosine law, or you can use sine law. Basically, if you can use both, sine law is much easier. Therefore, I do the AC over corresponding angle that 116.1 degree sine 116.1 degree equals, either you use 100 over sine 43.7 degree, or you can use 50 over sine 20.2. Cross multiply. AC equals, this number is on the same line with AC, so go to denominator. Then 100 times sine 116.1 degree. So we put into a calculator, you will get, we know the graphing calculator gives to you 129.9826. We round into 130, 3 significant digits, that's meters. For 1D, a vertical pole TB is constructed at point B and has a height of 25 meters. Calculate the angle of elevation of T from M, the midpoint of the side AC. First of all, we know that we have a pole passing through this B. We call this is a TB. And this M is the midpoint of AC. So find the midpoint over here. We label as M. Looking for angle of elevation. Therefore, we connect this TM. Then where you can figure out this angle of elevation, you have to connect MB. That's a horizontal line. It's on the ground. Then this will be the angle we are looking for. That's TMB. That's TMB. This is a right triangle. We know this is a 25. We're looking for this angle TMB. You have to figure out MB first. Let's label this is X. BM equals X. Then for triangle BCM. Here's a BCM. We can figure out BM by using Cosine Law because we figure out the AC equals 130. Therefore, MC equals 65. We got this one is 65. For this triangle, the blue one I draw, we are given two sides and included angle. Therefore, we can use the cosine law because this is the included angle. You can use the cosine law. Therefore, you will get the x squared equals, do the 65 squared plus the 50 squared minus 2 times the 65 times the 50 times cosine 43.7 degree. This is how you remember. These two will go here and here. Then for this angle, the corresponding size will be this x. So we put into calculator, you will get this. Then we do the square root of both sides. Your answer will be 45.0. For this right triangle, you have to use a secant to figure out the angle TMB. That's the angle of elevation. Since this x, that is 45.0. We are looking for this angle. You will label this is the opposite side. This is the adjacent side. OA, we got to use tangent. So tangent angle TMB equals O over A. O over A. O will be 25 over 45.0. Therefore, TMB equals, do inverse tangent, 25 over 45.0. We put into calculator, you will get 29.1 degree. To guided practice 2. Emily's kite ABCD is hanging in a tree. The plane ABCDE is vertical. Emily stands at a point E at some distance from the tree, such as EAD is a straight line. And an angle BED equals 7 degrees. Emily knows BD equals 1.2 meters and angle BDA, that is 53 degrees, as shown in the diagram. Find the length of EB. For the triangle EDB, you are given two angles. One side, that's why you got to use the sine law. Whenever you are given two angles, you have to use the sine law to figure out the length. So we get the x over sine 53 degree equals, that is 1.2 over sine 7 degree. So we do cross multiply. Your x equals 1.2 sine 53 degree over sine 7 degree. We'll get 7.86. Let's go to 2b. T is a point at the base of the tree. ET is a horizontal line. the angle of elevation of A from E is 41 degree, which means this angle, that is 41 degree. Write down the angle of elevation of B from E. So we're looking for this angle, which means we do the 41 degree minus 7 degree, that is 34 degree. Let's go to 2C. Find the vertical height of B above the ground. So basically I'm looking for this, BT. This is a right triangle. If looking for the side of a right triangle, Sine law is much easier than SOHCAHTOA. So we do this x, we already figure out is 786. So we do 786 over sine 90 degree equals BT over sine 34 degree. So we do cross multiply. Your BT equals, denominator is sine 90, that is 1. Then 7.86 times sine 34. If you didn't know sine 90 equals 1, you just using the sine 90 degree as denominator, you will get the correct answer. Answer will be 4.40. Or you can write down the whole thing like 4.395256. Remember, for word problem, units are required. So this one you have to say meters, and this part you have to say meters. Now let's go to 3A. This guy owns a plot of land near the river Nile in the form of a quadrilateral ABCD. The lengths of the sides are AB equals 40 meters, BC equals 115, CD equals 60 meters, AD equals 84 meters, and angle BAD equals 90 degree. This information is shown on the diagram. Show that BD equals 93 meters correct to the nearest meter. So we connect BD. We can see this is an X. Since this is a right triangle, we can use Pythagorean Theorem to figure out this X, because you are given these two sides. Therefore, X squared equals 40 squared plus 84 squared. Then when you put into calculator, you will get 8656. Then you do square root both sides. You will get the 90 meters corrected to the nearest meter. So we label this equals 93. Yeah, remember, for word problem, you have to show the unit. Calculate angle BCD, this angle. Since you are given all three sides, then looking for the angle, we got to use the cosine law. So we get the cosine C equals. Do these two sides first. 115 squared plus 60 squared, that minus corresponding sides, 93 squared. your denominator will be 2 times this go down and then this go down. So 115 times 60. You will get then you got to do inverse cosine. Equals 53.7 degrees. Let's go to 3C. Find the area of ABCD. The area of ABCD, you can get the area of two triangles. Then you add this together. For the area of triangle BAD equals, since this is a right triangle, you can use 1/2 base times height, or you can use 1/2 AB sine C. That is 1/2 times 84 times 40, then the sine 90 degrees. Sine 90, that's equals 1. So still like 1/2 base times height is the same thing. So we put into calculator, you will get 1680. Then we're working on the area of triangle BDC equals 1/2, two sides, that is 115 times 60. This is included angle. So we do the sine 53.7 degrees. We put into calculator, you will get, therefore the area of this quadrilateral ABCD, you will add 160 plus 2780.4524. You will get, the answer is 4460.4525. This is a decimal, so we need 3 significant digits. That's it. It's 4460. Remember, the units are required. That's a meter squared. For word problem, you have to add units. For 3D, the formula that the ancient Egyptians used to estimate the area of a quadrilateral ABCD is this. So we use this formula to figure out this quadrilateral ABCD. That is estimated area equals. We plug into this formula, AB plus CD. That is 40 plus 60. Then times 115 plus 84. Then over 4. You will get, this will be the estimated area. Don't forget the units. For 3E, find the percentage error in this estimation. This is the formula for percentage error. Therefore, that equals exact value, that is 4460. Then you do absolute value of 4975 minus 4460. That equals 0.115, which means 11.5%. Let's go to 4A. AC is a vertical communication tower with its base at C. The tower has observation deck D 3/4 of the way to the top of the tower A. From a point B on horizontal ground to 50 meters from C, the angle of elevation of D is 48 degrees. Calculate CD, the height of observation deck above the ground. So we're looking for this X. Since this is a right triangle, you can use a secant. This will be opposite side. This is the adjacent side. So you can do the tangent. 48 degrees equals X over 250. Then you do cross multiply. X equals 250 times tangent 48 degrees. You will get 278. The unit is meters. Or if you are not familiar with the secant, you can use Sine law. This angle, you do the 90 minus 48 degrees. That is 42 degrees. Then you can use Sine law. That is 250 over sine 42 degrees equals X over sine 48 degrees. Then you do cross multiply. You will get the same answer. Sine 42 degrees as a denominator. You will get the same answer, 278 meters. Normally for right triangle, if you're looking for the size, Sine law is much easier than secant. For B, calculate the angle of depression from A to B. So we draw the horizontal line. When you do the depression angle, remember, draw the horizontal line, then connect this. This angle we are looking for. From A, that is depression angle, but from B, it will be elevation angle. This elevation angle will be equals to this depression angle. So we looking for this ABC now. If we can figure out the angle ABC, then we already got the depression angle. So for angle ABC, you have to figure out the height. That's AC. So we assume AC equals Y. You can label Y over here. Look at this sentence. The tower has an observation deck D 3/4 of the way to the top of tower A. 3/4 means 3/4. In other words, from here to here, that's 3/4y. So we have 3/4y equals 278. And y equals, that is 1112 over 3. We need an accurate answer for y because this is a middle value. Then you can use a secant. This will be the tangent. ABC equals y, that is 1112 over 3 over 250. Then you do the inverse tangent. Equals 56.0 degrees.